Great choice. Technivorm Moccamaster 59163 Coffee Maker. Moccamaster KBG model features a glass carafe and an automatic drip stop brew basket that stops the flow of coffee if the carafe is pulled away. No more coffee spills. The KBG brews a full 40 ounces pot of coffee in 6 minutes. Coffee is then held on the unique hot plate, engineered with a separate, independent element that rolls heat into the coffee to ensure an even taste from the first cup to the last drop. The hot plate has 2 settings, giving you the choice to hold your coffee between 175 degrees and 185 degrees F, while never burning your coffee. After 100 minutes, the hot plate will automatically